Have you ever felt like no matter how hard you try, confidence just doesn't come naturally to you? You compare yourself to others, second-guess your choices, and feel like you're just not enough. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build. And in this video, we're going to uncover the real reasons why you still lack confidence and, more importantly, how you can finally change that. The first reason why you struggle with confidence is negative self-talk. You might not even realize it, but your inner voice is constantly criticizing you. Thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "What if I fail?" create a mindset of self-doubt. To break free from this cycle, start practicing self-awareness. Every time you catch yourself thinking negatively, reframe it. Instead of saying, "I can't do this," tell yourself, "I'm learning and improving every day." Your words shape your reality. Choose them wisely. The second reason is that you rely too much on external validation. You want approval from others before believing in yourself. But true confidence doesn't come from people liking your posts or praising you. It comes from within. Instead of seeking approval, build self-acceptance. List your strengths, your achievements, and what makes you unique. The more you validate yourself, the less you'll need others to do it for you. Fear of failure is another major confidence killer. Many people avoid taking risks because they're afraid of looking foolish. But the truth is, failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Shift your perspective. Instead of fearing failure, see it as feedback. Every mistake is a lesson. Every setback is a stepping stone. The more you embrace challenges, the more confident you'll become. Comparing yourself to others is a sure way to destroy your confidence. The problem is, you're comparing your behind the scenes to someone else's highlight reel. Focus on your own progress. Track your personal growth instead of measuring yourself against others. The only person you should compete with is the person you were yesterday. Confidence isn't about being perfect. It's about accepting yourself, taking action despite fear, and continuously growing. Change your thoughts, stop seeking approval, embrace failure, and focus on your own journey. The more you practice, the stronger your confidence will become. And remember, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are enough. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below.